Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AMT. You might think we've forgotten about everyday laptops amidst the flashy reviews, but today, we've got something practical, the HP Laptop 15 2024. It's one of the most popular budget laptops out there, featuring Intel's new Core i5 processor, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 memory, and Intel integrated graphics. But as prices creep up, is this still a solid choice, or is it venturing into mid-range territory? Let's dive in. Unboxing and design. Inside the box, you'll find the HP Laptop 15, a 45W charger, adorable but lacking USB-C charging, and some basic documentation. Design-wise, HP sticks with its familiar silver plastic body. It's surprisingly sturdy for an all-plastic build and weighs 3.6 pounds, 1.63 kilograms, light for a 15-inch laptop. Bonus: the finish resists fingerprints, keeping it clean and polished. Port selection. Here's what you get. Left side, USB-A, HDMI 1.4b, outdated, and a Type-C port with power delivery and DisplayPort 1.2. Right side, charging port and another USB-A port. There's no media card reader, which is a slight letdown. Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is a highlight. Backlit keys are now standard. A full-size numpad adds convenience for number crunchers. Typing is tactile and responsive. HP even uses this keyboard in their higher-end Pavilion and Spectre lines. The trackpad is also impressive. It's smooth, tactile, and has minimal flex, performing more like a mid-range laptop than a budget one. Display quality. The 15.6-inch Full HD display offers a 60 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits brightness, and a matte finish with an anti-glare coating. However, the 56% sRGB color gamut means colors look dull, making this unsuitable for creative tasks, but fine for general browsing and streaming. Performance. Here's what's inside. Intel Core i5-1235U processor, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD. For day-to-day tasks like web browsing, streaming, and light productivity, it performs well. You can handle basic programming and light full HD video editing with limited layers. However, gaming is disappointing. Fortnite struggles to hit 40 FPS on the lowest settings, lagging behind competitors like Dell's Inspiron or Lenovo's IdeaPad 3. Hopefully, future software updates can improve this. Thermals and battery life. Thermals are modestly improved. Surface temperatures max out at 40 degrees Celsius under heavy load, 3 degrees Celsius cooler than previous models. Fan noise peaks at 50 dB, but the fan frequently kicks in, even during light tasks. The 41WH battery lasts 7 to 7.5 hours, which is just okay for this category. Upgradability. You can upgrade. RAM, 2 DDR4 SODIMM. Slots support up to 32 gigabytes. Storage. The M.2 SSD slot supports up to 1 terabyte. Unfortunately, there's no second SSD slot, and DDR5 memory isn't supported. Pricing and final thoughts. At around $800, the HP Laptop 15 feels pricey for what it offers. If you find it on sale, say $700 or less, it becomes a much better value. Pros. Sturdy, lightweight design. Excellent keyboard and trackpad. Decent performance for general tasks. Cons. Mediocre gaming performance. Dull display colors. No USB-C charging or media card reader. As always, if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching Tech AMT, and I'll catch you in the next one.